Hello, buddies. If you are a lover of popcorn, come closer because I'm going to shock you right now. Yes, believe me when I say this is the best popcorn I have ever made. It tastes absolutely delicious, so chocolatey in taste. This is my absolute chocolate popcorn. This was how I made it. I added some vegetable oil into my pot, then added some popping corns. I cover this airtight on a high heat and monitor it as it begins to pop. Once I noticed that the popping sound has stopped, my popcorn was ready. I took it down. Then to the pot, I added some margarine. You can use butter, added a little bit of water. Okay. Then I went in with some salt. Also added After adding the salt, I added some chocolate flavor and a little bit of milk flavor. Okay. Then after adding this milk flavor, I added one medium size chocolate bar. Okay. You can also use chocolate chips if you want. Then I added some sugar and some unsweetened cocoa powder. I added a little bit of water again, then I combine everything. Make sure that you are doing this on a very low heat because you don't want this to burn or to change taste. Okay. Next, I poured in the popcorn that I made. I had to mix this on medium heat. I continue mixing this on medium heat. Everything is combined. Then once it's combined, and I'm sure the bottom of my pot is clear this way, then you can dry it. You can sun dry it a little, just few minutes, or you can dry it in your dehydrator or in your microwave or in the oven, just few minutes or few seconds at moderate temperature, and you are ready to enjoy this amazing chocolate popcorn with the best taste. Enjoy.